on your phone, first you need to download the Google Meets app. Then open the app. It is very similar to the format you will have if you're using Google Meets online. You can start a new meeting or join by meeting code. You can also join previous ones that you have been in before. Okay, so first I'm going to start a new meeting. So I'm going to click on New Meeting, and the information will pop up for you to share. So this is the information for others to join your meeting. Click Share Joining Info, and your phone will pop up the ways you can share it. You can share it through text, you can share it through your apps, or copy the information and share it however you would like to do that. Once you've shared the information, right here under the people icon, when people join your meeting, they will start popping up. If they are outside of your domain, which means if they are logged into any other account other than @murray.k12.ga.us, it will send you a message to allow them or deny them access to your meeting. If they're inside the domain, they will be able to join immediately. If they do not have access to audio, they can use the chat feature. Now, to see all the other features pop back up, you can simply tap at the top for all of your information. So I can mute my microphone. I can disable my camera if I do not want to show it. So right now my camera is disabled and you can only see my avatar. At the top right corner, I can click on the three dots to get more information. I can turn on captions. I can present my screen just like I can do on the PC version. And this also has the help features here also. And then this is the info for the Meet. So they've got a pin, they can dial in if they only have audio. That is the link they would go for the website. I only suggest them using that link on a PC or a Chromebook, not on a cell phone. If they're on the cell phone, the app is the way they want to go. It will work a lot better that way. So that is how you create a new meeting. So I'm going to get out, I'm going to hang up the phone in the middle. And then to join a meeting, I'm going to click meeting code. I simply type in that meeting name and then click join meeting. Okay, up here, your pancake icon, you want to make sure you're logged into the Murray County account. That will give you access to record the meeting. There's your settings. You can swipe up to see more meetings here. Okay, that is how you use Google Meets app.